Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to edit text behind objects just like this. Now let's get started. Open CapCut, then click on new project, then import the video you want to use. Click on add. Once you're done, add text. Click on add text. I'll just add lesson. After adding it, just edit the text. I'm editing a text effect with this art. I'll just resize it to the size I want, and then I'll click on animation. You can do yours without animation depending on what you want. So I'll just resize it on the screen where I want it to be. Then I'll drag the text to size the video. Once you're done dragging, delete the CapCut and then click on export. Once it's finished exporting, go back to CapCut and click on new project. Here you have to click on the video you saved just now. So this is it. So add it. Go to overlay and then add the original video. Once you're done adding, you just resize it to fit the print so it will be the same shape. Then go to remove PG or to remove the PG. Tada! This is how your video will look like once you finish removing PG. You can see it now. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section if you want more CapCut tips. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not. See you in the next video.